Hi everyone. I've spent some time using the new Apple iPhone 16 Plus and the Vivo X200 Pro. Both phones are great, but they have different features that might suit different people. In this video, I'll share what I liked and didn't like about each one. If you want to check the latest prices, you can find Amazon links in the description below. Let's see what makes these two phones special and help you decide which one might be better for you. Having used both the iPhone 16 Plus and Vivo X200 Pro, I found the iPhone to be slightly slimmer and lighter, measuring 160.9 by 77.8 by 7.8 millimeters and weighing 199 grams, which makes it feel more comfortable in hand for long use. The Vivo X200 Pro is a bit bigger and heavier at 163.6 by 74.6 by 8.5 millimeters and 226 grams, giving it a more solid, sturdy feel but less easy to hold for extended periods. Both have glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but the iPhone's design feels a bit more refined and sleek overall. The Apple iPhone 16 Plus features a 6.69-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision support, and a resolution of 2796 by 1290 pixels, 460 ppi. It also includes an always-on display. The Vivo X200 Pro offers a slightly larger 678-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and a higher peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. Its resolution is 368 by 2924 pixels, 453 ppi, and it features an always-on display with ultra-motion glass. Both deliver vibrant visuals and smooth performance with minor differences in size and brightness. The Apple iPhone 16 Plus runs on iOS 18 with the Apple A18 chip, featuring a hexa-core CPU, 2 high-performance cores at 4.4 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores at 2.20 GHz, and a 5-core GPU. In contrast, the Vivo X200 Pro operates on Android 15 with Origin OS 5 FunTouch 15 and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, boasting an octa-core CPU, 1 Cortex-X2 at 3.63 GHz, 3 Cortex-X4 at 3.3 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A720 at 2.4 GHz, alongside the Immortalis G925 GPU. While the Vivo offers more CPU cores and a newer GPU architecture, the iPhone's tightly integrated hardware and software deliver smooth, optimized performance. The Apple iPhone 16 Plus offers memory options of 8GB RAM across all storage variants, which include 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, utilizing NVMe storage technology without expandable memory. In contrast, the Vivo X200 Pro provides significantly higher RAM capacities, ranging from 12GB to 16GB, paired with larger storage options of 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, using the faster UFS 4.0 storage standard. Neither device supports external memory cards, but the Vivo X200 Pro stands out with superior RAM and storage capacity for enhanced multitasking and data handling. The Apple iPhone 16 Plus features a dual-camera setup with a 48-megapixel wide sensor offering PDAF, OIS, and sensor shift stabilization, complemented by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. In contrast, the Vivo X200 Pro boasts a more versatile triple-camera system, including a 50-megapixel wide sensor with OIS and laser AF, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an impressive 200-megapixel periscope telephoto, providing 3.7x optical zoom and OIS. The Vivo also benefits from Zeiss optics and advanced video capabilities like 4K at 120fps and 10-bit log, making it superior for zoom and video performance. The Apple iPhone 16 Plus features a 12-megapixel wide front camera with HDR support, capable of recording 4K video at both 30 and 60 FPS, as well as 1080p at the same frame rates. In contrast, the Vivo X200 Pro offers a higher resolution 32-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with an f2.0 aperture, also supporting 4K video recording at 60 FPS. While the iPhone emphasizes advanced video capabilities and HDR, the Vivo stands out with a significantly higher megapixel count and a wider field of view for selfies. The Vivo X200 Pro features a significantly larger 6000 mAh battery compared to the estimated 4700 mAh Li-ion battery in the Apple iPhone 16 Plus. While both devices have non-removable batteries, the Vivo offers much faster wired charging at 90 watts versus the iPhone's 30 watts. Additionally, the Vivo supports 30 watts wireless charging and reverse wired charging, enhancing versatility. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Plus supports MagSafe wireless charging, but with no mention of reverse charging. Overall, the Vivo provides superior battery capacity and faster charging options. After using both the Apple iPhone 16 Plus and the Vivo X200 Pro, I can say each phone has its own strengths. The iPhone 16 Plus offers a smooth user experience, excellent camera quality, and strong software support. On the other hand, the Vivo X200 Pro stands out with its impressive display, fast charging, and good value for money. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal needs and preferences. Check the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices before deciding.